Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Seat Ibiza? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The floating central infotainment touchscreen, standard 8.25 inches, optional 9.2 inches, with Seat Connect and full link for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The standard 8-inch digital cockpit, optional up to 10.25 inches, with high-clarity graphics displaying speed, revs, navigation, driving data, and assist info right ahead of the driver. The manual stick for 5 or 6-speed manuals and a compact electronic DSG selector for dual-clutch automatics, with gear positions clearly shown on the instrument display. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The dual-zone Climatronic automatic climate control with combination dust or pollen filter for independent temperature settings and consistent comfort. The 2026 Seat Ibiza comes with efficient petrol engines ranging from a 1.0 in MPI 80 PS 3-cylinder to a 1.5 TSI 150 PS 4-cylinder, designed for smooth city and highway driving. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light. Automatic brake hold system indicator. Malfunction indicator lamp. Charging system indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Engine oil pressure warning light. Forward safety warning light. Seatbelt reminder indicator. Electric shift control system warning light. High temperature indicator. Anti-lock brake system indicator. Supplemental restraint system indicator. Electric power steering system indicator. Vehicle stability assist system indicator. Vehicle stability assist off indicator. Low tire pressure or TPMS indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Turn signal and hazard warning indicators. Lights on indicator. High beam indicator. Auto high beam indicator. Fog light indicator. Front passenger airbag status light. Door ajar warning light. Automatic emergency braking warning light. Petrol engine management fault. Low fuel level warning light. Master warning light. Immobilizer indicator light. Inattentive driving warning light. Intelligent speed limit assist indicator light. Auto hold indicator light. Speed limiter not available. Low fuel level warning light. Adaptive cruise control indicator light. Outside temperature indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.